Hey, to the whole world, it's Lwandile here, the leader and the instructor of my live programming school. As you can see, we're working on loops. By the way, this is the second chapter, okay? And right now I'm about to dive onto the very first exercise, okay? Which requires me to write a program to fill the screen horizontally and vertically with your name, okay, with my name in this case. So hint at the option add equal and equals to that the optional arguments, okay, into the print function to fill the screen horizontally. Okay, so how am I gonna go about doing that? Of course, the very first thing I would do is to open idle. I'll then create a file. I'll save it where I store all of my solutions, which is right over here. That's the place, and I'm gonna call this file exercise 2.1. I'll go A. I'll hit finish. Okay, you see there's no one way around this problem. Okay, I can do something as follows. I can display 18 names. Okay, I'll display my name 18 times horizontally and 50 times vertically, meaning I'll have the name Lwandile written in some sort of a grid, okay, with 18 columns and 50 rows. So how am I gonna go about doing that? I'll go range. If I wanna do something 50 times, this will be a way to go. So what is it that I wanna do 50 times? I wanna print the word Lwandile. Might as well. Perhaps I shouldn't put my surname. I should. I mean, why not? Okay, so it's probably a good idea to make it look like that. Okay, so I'll simply go, and then in order to stay in one line, I'll use that which was given to us as a hint. Okay, okay. Oh, you know what? Let me solve this problem without actually using that hint over there. Okay, so I'll do that. Let me solve this problem without using the hint that was given to us. Okay, so I'll go run. Really? Index in. I forgot the word in. You're gonna have to bear with me on that one, you guys, because I teach different languages, so sometimes I tend to forget some of the things. Okay, you know, I'll get rid of that right there because it creates more of a confusion. And furthermore to that, I'll create a space right after the alphabet E. Yeah, that way my output will look clearly. Okay, you see, now the problem is, you guys, you see, the output actually depends on the width and height of my window. As you can see, if I maximize it, it looks like that. You see, now it looks okay. I wanted to have something like that, okay? But the idea here is we were able to fill the screen with my name. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. Stay tuned for the next solution on this exercise over here. Cheers, you guys. I'm gone.